Mind has been constantly making technical breakthroughs to satisfy the ever-changing market. As a matter of fact, Mind has been cultivating its knowledge in the RFID card and tag production for 27 years now.
We are a one-stop chip card manufacturer that integrates design, production, and sales service. So Mind has derived over 1,000 different kind of products over years. Now we have RFID key cards, SIM cards, bank cards, RFID key rings, RFID key fobs, and RFID wristbands. In order to reflect the high degree of customization, Mind has offered our client free design service and also different kind of materials, colors, textures, patterns for you to choose from.
Mind has been golden partner of NXP, Infineon, and Fangdan. We have a strong supply chain in raw materials and a spacious warehouse of 5,000 square meters, contributing to stable production.
We have launched a wide number of interesting new products, such as UHF RFID card with liquid resistance to assure the RFID signal can pass through the obstacles of human bodies. The flow rate of people is increased by 5 to 10 times to avoid public security incidents, which is impossible in the past.
We have served over 1,000 different kind of big enterprise, government organizations, and also big institutions all over the world. For example, like Chinese State Grid Company, Qatar World Cup, and some Ministry of Communications in Middle Eastern countries. Our technicians and salespeople are always on the front line for our clients. So if you have any questions at any time, our people will be there for you.
Making a refit card requires at least 25 procedures. With the rigorous inspection at Mind, we have full set of experimental laboratory, including the finished warranty performance testing device. Our goal is to deliver zero defective products to our customers. We strive to make the impossible possible.